She actually wasn't talking to me.
I was!
You were.
I turn my chain music up and I'm puffing my chest. I'm getting red in the face. You can call me obsessed. It's such a fault that they hover. I mean no disrespect. It's my right to be hellish. I still get jealous 'cause you're too sexy, beautiful, and everybody wants a taste. That's why I still get jealous 'cause you're too sexy, beautiful, and everybody wants a taste. That's why I still get jealous, beautiful, and everybody wants a taste. That's why I still get jealous.
Dapat ako lang kayo.
Thank you and you're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you kasi hindi ko nila. You're welcome because I know you're enjoying it. Welcome because I know you're enjoying it. Ano are you enjoying?
Doing what?
Are you jealous? Yeah.
Selos.